Okay, so we are back and we finished, putting in the perm rods, and I left this in for a day. I didn't sit under a dryer, just let it air dry because I didn't really use that much product because I didn't want to wait for it to take, forever to dry. So I'm just taking them out, and as you see, our results are beautiful. My hair doesn't feel crunchy. It feels soft and sponge-like. And I'm just going to take all of these out so we can start separating them. And I'm not using any oil as well. I'm literally just using the only two products mentioned. They will be in the description box below. So just go ahead and continue watching me take these out. So as you guys see, they're all taken down. Of course, you don't want to leave them like this, but if you do, to each his own. But I'm not. I'm going to start separating them, and I separate them into two first, and then one of those halves, I separate that into two as well, if that makes any sense. But if not, just keep watching. But I just make sure I separated one of them at least 4 times. And that's, to me, how I get the best volume. I love the way it looks when I do separate it this much. You can choose not to separate it as much if you want it to last longer, but I just love the volume that, this separation gives. We are pretty much done separating. I'm just going in with my pick and wide tooth comb to pick it out as much as I like. And this is pretty much the final look, you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Be on the lookout for way more looks, considering we are in quarantine right now. I love the way this came out, so get ready for more. Bye.